for this video. It's my first time to do unboxing. First time to my YouTube channel that I will do this. And this is also my second time around to receive something from the same co-YouTuber. The first time that I have is a grocery, Philippine grocery from XyrresTV channel. So please don't forget to press like and subscribe to her YouTube channel also. And this time is for Jobs Villanueva. So let's see what is this. Although I know what is this, but I'm so excited because while I am driving, I need this because it's convenient. It's cold inside the car. So we will open it. So maybe it's here. Okay. Okay. Alright. This is so hard. Okay. So, when we talk by job, so I said like, I like wearing, like what I am wearing right now, jogging pants and, jogging pants and jacket and sweatshirt, So here you go again. So how I wish this one fit for me. Because she said, are you mataba? I said like I am not mataba. So, I have black color. I'm so excited. How I wish really this one fits for me. And this one. And this one. Oh, how I wish really it fits for me. Okay, let's see if it match for me this one. I love white. Because the color of my car is white. Oh. She's right, because I'm just only small. because I am only small. Oh, I love this jacket. It's like this now. So where's the partner of this? I think the partner. Where's the partner? I think this one is the partner for this. Where is my scissor? Okay. Oh, yeah. Can be this one, the partner of this. Yay! This one going to fit for me. So I'll show you how I'm going to wear this. And I have also another blue. What is this? Oh, another jogging pants. I have many jogging pants. Oh. I have many jogging pants now. And what is this? Oh, this is my gray. This is my gray. Oh yeah, gray. So gray is going to be partner for this. Yeah. Okay, so please do not forget to press like and subscribe to Jobs Villanueva channel and XyrresTV channel, and thank you, and yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Bye.